Hey, this isn't for all of you who follow my channel. Some of you, though, have been following Forsage over the last year and a half and have done really well with it, or you want to do well with it. Those of you outside of the United States, you can really benefit from the X4 with the spillover. And that's where you just sign up under somebody who's a strong marketer, brings a lot of people in. And even if you didn't participate in it, you can make a lot of money. In fact, I got a lot of spillover here. This just started 3 days ago, already $44,725 in, 24,000 in the X3, 20,000 in the X4. And this was actually much higher until yesterday. And I expect the X4 to actually, it takes a little bit longer to kick in because the top two spots roll up. And then the people who come in underneath, you get paid on those. So like in this one, these two top spots are filled now, that rolled up. And then the next three, I'll get paid. So that's $5, $10, $15,000 when they enroll people. So when these two people enroll people, I'm going to get 5,000 up to 15,000. Then the fourth one rolls up and it recycles. I'm really just sharing this video as an update to those of you who follow this, or you can go do your research. And if you want to enroll with me, a marketer who's able to bring in a lot of people, I'm going to be building a lot around this. If you're outside the United States, I'm not marketing this to people inside the United States because right now I'm focusing on the X4 in this particular message. I would not suggest that anybody in the United States ever promote spillover. The United States does not like it when people can make money without doing a lot of work. Even though, I mean, unless you're SEC registered, they want to own that. They want to own that world and control that world of people being able to make money doing nothing. So, which makes sense because otherwise there's a lot of weird stuff that people promote promising that, right? So they want to have it go through them in the US. And so if you're outside the US, you could sign up with me and benefit from my marketing in a big way. If you don't understand how that works, go research it, take your time, but just know that I'm bringing people in all the time. The higher the levels you come in, the more you can make. And I'm not encouraging anybody to do it, but if you're looking for, somebody who's a big time recruiter, I only got 16 in right now, but I'm going to be turning this on. So here's what I'm going to be doing for those inside the US. We're going to be creating products that we sell inside the US. That's how you do it. That's how you make money. Inside the US, you have to create products, sell those products, and then you can have a referral component, but most of your sales need to be customers. If you're outside the US, you can come in right now and you could benefit from my recruiting and everything, okay? If you're inside the US, to your discretion, and if you want to participate before we have products and stuff, but I'm not encouraging that. I'm inside the US, so obviously that's a decision I made. But again, I'm focusing most of my promotion right now outside the US. We are creating products. One of the products that I'm creating that if you're on my team, you're gonna be able to use our marketing funnels. You're gonna have access to the products. You'll be able to, even without creating that product yourself, you'll be able to offer those products to the people that you want to without paying for that product. You know what I mean? Your customer would pay for that. So here's what I mean. Someone buys level 4 and I'm gonna give them my crypto pre-sale strategy. You would be able to do that too if you're on my team. And in fact, when we're marketing inside the United States, we'll be selling the crypto pre-sale strategy. And most of our sales will be customers, but then we'll say, hey, there's an opportunity here. If you're, we use the Forsage system as a payment system, that's all. Then it's regulatory compliant because we're selling products. Outside the US, no issues, no problems. If you're outside the US right now, feel free to come on in. I'm going to be recruiting a massive amount of people, especially when I turn on that marketing funnel. You'll have access to everything that we're doing. I'll have a lot more on this channel. I just want to let you know it's doing really, really well. I really, really like this one. The challenge we had before, and the reason why we couldn't really launch anything with marketing funnels was with their previous smart contract, is it was based on Ethereum and the price was fluctuating. So let's say I was going to sell a product because I wanted to make things regulatory compliant in the US. Let's say I was going to sell a product that I created, like our crypto pre-sale strategy class, and it was going to be like, let's say $500 to offer it for those that, purchased level 4. And then Ethereum tripled in price and now it's $1,500. It made it difficult to figure out how to frame the messaging and put the products together when I didn't know what the price was going to actually be to people in fiat currency. But with BUSD smart contract, the price is fixed. And so now we can know, okay, if they spend $40, they get this product. If they spend $80, they get this product. And our marketing is focused on buying products. So when someone in the US, wants to work with us, they're customers buying products, and then there's an opportunity. That's what the US regulation wants. So if you're outside the US, not so much of a concern for you. You can participate right now with the potential for spillover. If you're inside the US, you can't make money just leveraging me like that. At least I can't promote it. So I'm not talking to those of you inside the US right now. I will do a lot more videos. And again, those of you who are inside the US, your discretion if you want to join somebody in this program, just know that when I'm helping you with the marketing, it would be the selling of products if we're talking to people inside the US. All right, guys, going to be doing a lot of recruiting, a lot of marketing. Follow this channel, subscribe if you're wanting to team up with somebody that loves to recruit, loves to build. And if you're outside the US, you could benefit tremendously from what I'm gearing up to do because of the spillover. Go check out their compensation plan if you don't understand that, and I will see you soon.